Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Everything when me do them follow. If me no shit, them no swallow.
Una say downtown where Vybzkartel shoot Panic. Una say at the same place Blind shoot Girl Good.
Pussy. Wine girl bend. Tight old girl then.
Me now move. First person in a Jamaica. I go meet. Never give up. 5 years me I wait. 5 years airport. Now move.
Early morning, nature calling. I want me one fist me do like chapali. Instant coffee, want me instant coffee.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Gaza Headquarter, aka Gaza Corruption, I represent DJ Dreadbeard, the baddest on YouTube.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Vybzkartel, representing for Cayman on the 30th of May. And that day will be a special day because that day will be the day that I premiere Victory anywhere in the world. So that's the world premiere of me performing Victory live in Cayman. Victory!
Yo, so this supposed to be a quick and fast one, you know, because I just... Yo, this supposed to be one quick and fast one, you know, because I just 3 topics, you know. But knowing me have something for reason about. So probably it not that quick and fast, you see me? But the topics that we want to talk about, we see Alkaline copy Vybzkartel again, brawling. And as me establish in other videos, so this is Alkaline brand. If you copy everything Vybzkartel do, and don't give credit. So him name will forever talk about in the YouTube street, say yo, him copy Vybzkartel. But them style are old style for your copy Vybzkartel and the fans them get riled up. As me say yesterday, notice that the fans them not really I ain't no back and forth again with no vendetta man. Yeah, but Alkaline is like one of them tank fish there. Know them tank fish the way clean the other fish them feces. Social media influencer and the social media influencer yeah, say him want meet ishowspeed. Him are the first man I go meet ishowspeed and in camp out at the airport. But something where Popcaan said to him, Popcaan enter the chat and say something to him. So probably Popcaan a hint say part of ishowspeed tour in a Jamaica. He might link up with Popcaan. You see me, we have that for talk about. And pretty have one of the baddest song on the Alkaline riddim. And I tell you why. This is what I want to reason about. Trust me. I have something for reason about it. And it probably take up most of the time. But people, before I go no further, let me introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I'm going to shout out LG78 who forward through with $5 on the last video. Yo, you see the brother here name LG. I don't know how the man do it, but this man are always the first for comment. The man even comment before me. Like, the man literally comment in all 20 seconds after the video upload. Me have to wonder how the man do it. You see me? The man are the leader of the notification squad, or the dread gang. You see me? Big up yourself, LG78. See all him display picture there is a Dread Simpson. You see me? Dancehall Pharaoh forward through with $5 on the last video. Miguel Rosso $5 on the last video. And Jermar C forward through with $5 on the last video. Yeah man people, remember, liking the video, sharing the video, commenting on the video is also a form of support. And if you don't know how to drop a super thanks or how to hype up the video, see the instruction there I run on the screen. Yeah man, so big up everybody again. We have some new supporter and some long time supporter. Big up on yourself again.
Pussy. Wine girl bend. Tight old girl then.
You are the cutest, I feel the boss. Love you from the start, no I broke your heart.
Alright, so I'm confused. I'm just a little bit confused. And here why I'm confused. Other than Spice and Skilly Bang, we celebrate Vybzkartel crowning who see him as the king. The rest of dancehall, them not celebrate Vybzkartel and call him the king, but yet still wanna copy everything him do as the leader and as the king. And of them little something we wanna continue to do is the reason why him are the king. One of the reasons why, other than him have hits and a big catalog and everything else, them little something we dancehall do, like if him not shit, you can't name on them something there. And them something you not have to admit it, you know. Just by following Vybzkartel over the years, make him be the king. You don't have to say him the king. Action speak louder than words. So, me would have already established in multiple videos, especially over This Is Real Talk, when me zoom in on one topic. Me tell you say, Alkaline entire brand is to copy Vybzkartel and don't give no credit. Well, we reach a stage now where we kind of past that. This a get old, bro. This a get stale. And the fans them, the vendetta fans them, me a talk to. Share this with them. Please with the direction where Alkaline take the video. Like a copy Vybzkartel. Like is a budget copy because Vybzkartel have the high definition. Yes, it's a Vybzkartel video more pretty, more high def. But this is a low budget copy of Panic. Like the song where say I run the road and this are the direction. Please with Alkaline say a Vybzkartel in copy. Yo, because think about it, you know. This song never have nothing to do with Vybzkartel, you know. And one of them shade song the way you talk about Annie Palmer or nothing, you know. It's a song half of it own with the people them love, you know. So why you carry the Vybzkartel foot in the video? Why you never make it stay original? Why you have to turn the song in a copy? You talk about mockers and dolly, but a wifey and matey concept when you go in the video and skettle. So instead of you go mockers in the video, you go skettle, bro. With the martini glass with the ice and that a code. Say yo, see the glass with the dog. Make the girl drink out with the ice. With the cup with the ice or the martini glass with the ice. Or him gone upon speaker box and the same girl them in the mesh marina and the same location downtown and bro, we get it.
So, in a girl good, una say blinds in the red Versace robe. Similar to the red Versace robe Vybzkartel wear in my brother that. And Vybzkartel do a lot of trolling in that same red robe there too. Blinds are deadly, you know. Una say downtown where Vybzkartel shoot Panic. Una say at the same place blind shoot girl good. Una see that though. And the same video quality and the old school vibes of Vybzkartel using a Panic. Una say the same thing blind using a girl good. And when the girl them a wear booty and short of Vybzkartel using a Panic. Una say the same thing blind using a girl good. Blinds are deadly with the copying still, you know.
And when me say them something here, people act like a nonsense me a talk, bro. The man brand is to copy Vybzkartel, bro. It make him reach where him reach, and like the fans them not understand. It's like the fans them dunce. Like the artists a go one direction and the fans them will out here and a deny it. And sometimes when them a deny it, them have one big smile on them face like, no dog, him not copy Vybzkartel, dog. Alkaline I'm own man, I'm own brand. But deep down, no shame me no, bro. Yeah, a Vybzkartel, the man a copy, the man go wifey and matey when the man supposed to go dolly and mockers. You're supposed to be in one of them top club there. You're supposed to have a glass with an expensive liquor and you live a rich lifestyle in one club and pan some boat and pan some yacht where you mock out, girl. And come in a girl cup with ice. Which part come in a girl cup with ice and with the concept and match up with the video. The man just a focus on for copy Vybzkartel, bro. Left out of the lane they know. That's why you not go nowhere, bro. Me tell you say you not go nowhere. Because on one hand you not admit say the man are the king, but you not copy him, bro. Make it make sense, no man. I'm not stay long pan this night, you see me? Yeah, because part of that way him do, I have to make you talk about it. But me talking about it, where it a go bring you? Look on the views them on the song. Clearly the video flop the song now, you know. Because what people expect is wasn't another copy of Vybzkartel. No, you go under the ground like Vybzkartel at the arena. I know you have follow the man Panic video. Yo, remember me telling you yesterday say Sealer. When you hear me say Sealer, remember me telling you yesterday say the artist them copy Vybzkartel, panic, the whole Ilan Gully rhythm, a panic them follow, you know. You see anything where dancehall see work for you, them a go follow. You see when dark room and man stress out and scamming and them something there around, you go see a bag of that because it them see work. Them see it work for all skilly bang when him go crocodile teeth and them say what? Chopping a work man. Chop song can't carry go at 100 man. A be a chop song, no man now come out of the chop song. No Vybzkartel go old school. I be a old school. And then me I go transition now in a pretty because she do something different on the Ilan Gully rhythm, but me I tell her what she do different. Pretty, she go back in our old time craft where them no go brawling. Them use double entendre and innuendos. Back in the days, I see instead of a man go brawling, him code up the word and say something instead of the word. So pretty, what she do is she say coffee. A cocky she want to say, you know, but she say coffee.
I the black coffee, me love it, I'm a healer. Now left the coffee alone till me see Jesus.
I may I tell her say that alone, the creativity in that alone, make me love the song. Like me personally love the song and think it's one of the baddest song on the rhythm. And I think what they hear footer hype or somebody forward out and I say, yo, pretty them for left music and I just pretty and she don't have no talent. I don't remember if a footer hype say, but more than likely I him said. But see the girl find a bad song upon the rhythm and me tell her say it's a craft where the nowadays artists them dash way. You see, because every man want go brawling, them stop use the craft the way me say a word. This it mean, but me I say something else. Alright, why one thing say back in the days, especially some little girl used to sing some song, and now when them grow big, them a tell us say they had no business singing that song. And when me grow big, me know what the song really mean. I'm used to sing out the song there. And when them grow big now, them are gonna say, oh, coffee didn't mean cocky. But it. Because the song nice and it not sound brawling. And everybody has sing it. Young people, old people, everybody has sing it. No, old people don't want to sing it. And young people have to hide and sing it. Because when I go to brawling, no art, no craft. And one advice to pretty, invest in another song, yeah. Get one top artist for do a remix or something. Or Vybzkartel would all be the right person for y'all remix the song, yeah. You see me? You know Vybzkartel no ram figgy female strength. Especially when them no boss yet. And bring them to mainstream. Like all Shensia. Because you're still stuck under like underground like to me pretty no boss. You see me? But to the way how me love the song, yeah, and feel like so the song have potential, you remix it, man. Governor already have a song pan rhythm, but if him never have a song pan rhythm, all a governor you can remix it with. Yeah, man, think about it. When you send it to her, I make you think about it. As me invest in it. Yo, me say, as me there a reason, me just have figure out something. Just like how we would have say, Vybzkartel are the alien brain and the lyricist. Back in them days, when the man them a code up with them a say, that used to be them alien brain, you know. That a for them alien brain, you know. That a how them flex pan the next artist, you know. Me I say one something, I make it sound like that me I say. But this me really I say. Me I talk about vagina, but then me I go make it sound like I'm a neighbor cat. Me have 2 fowl in my yard, one a cock and one a hen, but the cock put me in a problem. Me decide to sell the cock, but me not bother sell it again because a gift from my parents them. My cock is a gift from my parents them. My hand, my eye, my head, my foot is a gift from my parents them. So that how them and them flex back in the days of Vybzkartel change the game and go 2 syllable and make man stop look pan them song there as lyrics and metaphor innuendos. You see me? Yo, the 90s and the 80s artists them would have killed we with double entendre. You see me? Especially all the soca song them. You know from what they hear Brando has said is we not reason the music as dancehall vloggers, you know, but you don't know my channel we reason everything still, so we will get the music reasoning every now and then. In a general, if you don't say on our dancehall vloggers and nah get them kind of music reasoning here. The man them that for them alien brain back in the days. So that the young people them lose that, you know. That's why as me hear pretty song, me think it bad, you know, because just because she go down the road the way, she make it sound like that she talk about this she mean. The young people, because everybody want to outdo Vybzkartel, every man a go brawling, every man a go raw. I think one time I hear Spragga Benz they say, yo, them can go raw to, you know, and brawling to, you know. But at the time, me never did have made Spragga Benz because him did have say it as a shade to Vybzkartel, like him could have go freaky girl too. But them choose not to do it. But them can't do it. I mean, I look pan and say, no sir. But when I think about it, them could have do it too. But back in the days there, when them code up the song, that are how them flex. But you see when Spragga did say that, a Vybzkartel, him really did a shade, you know. Like him a say, him can do freaky girl song too. But them choose not to. But when Spragga did a say toward Vybzkartel, him also wrong too. Because watch this. When Vybzkartel say bicycle, ride pan the 10 speed bicycle, a code him a code it up to man. No double entendre to man. Bicycle hour. When the girl ride pan the bicycle hour. You see me, Vybzkartel do that in a him clean version and him raw version. So Vybzkartel ever argue a double entendre and innuendos too. So Spragga did wrong, but you have to know when and how to do it. You have to mix it up. You have to have a balance. You have to know when to go brawling and you have to know when to go double entendre. Vybzkartel give you that. Him go brawling, him never just go freaky girl alone. Him go bicycle too. So Spragga Benz did still wrong, but Spragga Benz did have say something same way. Them could have do it. But the reason why them not do it, it wasn't a craft for just go brawling. The craft in a them time there was for you say, yo, me have 2 fowl and me had one a cock and one a hen. But the cocker put me in a problem. That are them and them. That are how them flex by each other and show you say me have a more writing skills than you. The soca artists them do it too, bro. You see me? Yeah, that are the craft now where the young artists them lose. Like a whole complete song with double entendre. Not just 4 bars and 1 little bar of double entendre. And say, yo, double entendre, similes. No, the whole entire song. The young artists them lose the craft there. No man nah give them kind of double entendre again. Every man want to go brawling and raw because they might try out the Vybzkartel freaky girl. So that's how they lose touch. You see me, you have to know when to do it and how to do it and art, you have to have art in one of do, bro. You can't just go brawling so. You miss out the part there of the music, you see me? Alright, so the youth you know, him say him a lay weight speed at the airport. So the fucker start already. You see me? Yeah, the fucker start already. But so popcaan go in at him comment section and say, yo, at the wrong part of the airport today, him now go past this so. You see me, I jet him a forward pan so him are over the private part. But what popcaan said to him is, me I go fix things for you, brother. Go on home now. No worry. And laughing emoji, you see me? Me no think say popcaan just say that, you know. Remember say most of the time when the artists them check in at Jamaica, popcaan them link up, you know. What they all Dua Lipa are one of my favorite artists them. Me just love her song them, you see me? What they should forward to Jamaica, you know, I think last year, you know, and a popcaan should link up with, you know. You see me? Yeah, so don't be surprised, you hear it here first. Don't be surprised if part of speed tour, him a ride on some 4-wheel bike with popcaan in a St. Thomas and them a dilly-dally in the streets and police escort and you see me, carry him go drink some jelly and unruly river and them something, you see me? Don't be surprised, hear it here first. You see me, remember say we pre the streets, analyze the streets, you see me? Yes, so not no surprise when it happen cause we done meds it. Yo, enough time when we see some things happen, we not surprised no cause we done meds it. All when me not vlog about it, me done meds it long time, so things hardly surprise me and people are whoa. Yeah man, we done see them something them man. So nothing no wow way, you see me? Yeah, but people, you see the thumbnail that we see on the screen, that are over my second channel, This is RealTalk, where me a talk about every version of Vybzkartel it and them a compare Vybzkartel in I'm Prime versus Vybzkartel It's Them Now. So Vybzkartel It's Them in I'm Prime versus the It's Them Now and them a grade him hard and you see me? But you have to go over there for continue the reasoning, you see me? Yes, subscribe to my second channel, that are the channel where you see me collab with. You know miss out whole heap, you know. If you know is a fan of DJ Dreadbeard and you know subscribe to my second channel, you know miss out whole heap of gems. You see me? Yeah, but people, I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. May I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, chop a super thanks in the comment section. The link to the PayPal, may I go pin it in the comment section also. So the video you see on the screen, just click on it right now. It take you over my second channel, straight to the video there. But if you don't see the video as me say, you just subscribe to the channel where me collab with and watch the last video. I am DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.